We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Islamic perspective. For this reason, sneezing is considered as blessing from Allah, and in a narration 3:4 from Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, who said, "When one of you sneezes, let him say, Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah, and let his brother or companion reply to him."
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.